This is the WattCycle 100 amp hour mini 12-volt battery. I'm gonna build the smallest, lightest, cheapest portable power station you've probably ever seen. Done. There are 3 different ways that I can recharge this. So this is a 1 amp battery charger. It just clips on with little alligator clamps. This is the 20 amp charger. Just taking the screws on and off. Let's talk about solar. Easy peasy. So I've got my pedestal fan plugged in into my power station and open up the app. So I can watch and see how the battery's doing and how much power I'm pulling and how much power I've got left. That is pretty cool.